Hey guys, wanna know how to add shapes to your image in BeFunky? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, open up your BeFunky application, or you can go via the web browser as well. The choice is yours. Now, once you're there, just simply on your dashboards, you can see photo editor policy maker, and right under policy maker, this will be graphic designer. Simply click on it. Now this window will open and click on open and then select any from these options in order to open your image, or you can just import from right here as well. Now once that's done, just simply head towards this shape like icon right here. These are the graphics. Now here you can see the basic shapes are already here. You can just drag and drop this ellipse. Now you can edit its properties and then just close the window. You can also add rectangle, star, and so much more. And not just that, you can also search for other shapes as well. Just simply go to search graphics and now just search for shapes. And here you can see there are various shapes that comes in. Just simply click on it once and select that you would like to import, and then just close the window. And under your graphics, you can see there are various shapes imported. Just double click on it, and there you have it. Your shape has been inserted, and you can also edit its properties and so much more. And once you're there, just simply click on save. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.